fritters with sea moss and health and wellness on the side. Welcome back to Everything Malika Nima. So glad you're tuning back into my channel. I always say it, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and yeah, watch my other videos. So I did this video on making sea moss. So I just looked it up online, just like this. So I did a video myself, why not? Sea moss is now a big thing right now. It's like everybody wants to have it, everybody wants to use it. It's like everybody's on this health trip of sea moss. So I wanted to see what the hype was about. So if you haven't heard of it, so what I did was I just Googled it. I Googled a lot of different sources, but you know, everybody knows about Pinterest. So I looked up benefits of sea moss, and Pinterest says that there's 10. Okay, so yeah, the top 10 benefits of sea moss, according to Pinterest, says that it contains 92 minerals, it promotes healthy thyroids, supports a healthy heart, supports healthy immune system, promotes good digestion, improves metabolism, helps maintain a healthy weight. We all like that. Supports hair, skin, and nails, improves libido, and it's a great post-workout recovery tonic. Yeah, so it has a lot of benefits. I'm sure there's many more benefits to sea moss. I just wanted to give you guys the top 10 that Pinterest gave me. I'm going to make my shake. I'm just gonna use my classic favorite vegan protein powder and some vegan certified as well fiber boost, so I can stay full longer. I have some blueberries, fresh blueberries, and I'm just gonna use half of a banana, and then obviously the sea moss that you guys saw me make. Let's see. So yeah, water first. Just like a little 8-ounce water. And then I'm gonna put the berries. I like a lot of berries. And then I'm just gonna do 1 scoop of vanilla vegan protein powder. And I'm gonna also do 1 scoop of the Fire Boost. You know, I don't know how much sea moss you're supposed to put in the protein shake, but I'm guessing like a teaspoon or tablespoon maybe? I don't know. So I'm just gonna use this much. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's all you see. Yeah, so apparently, I don't know, like, you don't quote me on this, but if you make the sea moss gel, you can also like put it on your outer skin and like sore spots. If you have like muscle tightness or something, you can like rub it on there. Don't quote me on that. Don't quote me on it because I have no idea, you know? I don't even have breakfast yet, excuse me. Oh, okay. I never had blueberries with banana, but I'm gonna do it today. That was so good. Sorry, guys. Let's mix this bad boy. I think it's done. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look how beautiful this color is. So smooth. This is perfect. Perfect. All right, I will see what it tastes like. I'm so satisfied. So good. Yeah. And now you have your meal for the day. So yeah, so good. Thank you for tuning in to Everything Malika Nima. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you like this video, you know what to do. Thumbs up, comment, share it, you know, and then make your own sea moss and then let me know how it goes. Yeah. I love you guys. I love this because I cannot taste it. If you drink sea moss, like if you just take it by itself, oh gosh. I did it once and I was like, oh gosh. It was so bad. It was bleh. I wanted to throw up. But I like it because I don't taste it in my shake. Other ways to use sea moss, you gotta look it up because like I said, don't quote me. I don't know if you can put it in like your soup. You can put it in your soup, duh. Okay, yeah, put your sea moss in your soup or something. But I do recommend, which I did not say, noticed a lot of people saying use purified water or filtered water instead of soaking it in tap water. Like, because it's gonna taste like tap water. And you don't want your sea moss tasting like tap water, nor soaking in tap water, because basically you're just contaminating it again. So yeah, just use purified water, rinse it, whatever, if you feel like you need to. If not, whatever. It's not that deep. But yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.